Okay. We're gonna be going down this way first. We have to take care of something. Oops. Yeah, this way. Stupid spinner. Okay. Careful here. Okay, you see these giant green, giant orange ape guys? They are incredibly difficult to kill. And they just take forever. I'm pinned in this corner right now, actually. Please. They also do quite a bit of damage. But that's why we're going this way first. Because I do not want to fight a million of these guys. And you probably don't want to watch me fight a million of these guys. Look at how long this guy is taking for me to kill. Swipe, swipe, swipe. Okay, he should be dead. I really like how they die, though. Okay, we're going this way. These guys are a little easier to kill. Copper Sun Key. Okay, where'd he go? Now he's in here somewhere. Well, here, let's see this guy?
Why don't you attack?
Can't. Wall there. Can't see it.
An invisible cage of sorts.
Yes. Warlord put me here.
Your people fight for the Warlord.
My people. My people. They fight for me.
You're their commander?
I am Lord and prisoner.
So they hold you hostage and make your people fight?
Yes.
And if you were free?
We attack Warlord everywhere. We fight.
I'll take that as an agreement, and I'll get you out. Lord, I believe I have the key. It takes the shape of a withered hand.
Use it. My people wait. I can lead them against Warlord.
Lord, we need whatever help you can give us.
I shall help smash our enemies.
I can't ask for more. May fate lead you to your people.
Luck be yours and strength. Goodbye.
Goodbye. I love the voice acting in this game. Let's free him. That's it. Okay, we don't have to fight any more of those stupid giant orange gorilla guys ever again, so 35 skill points. That's kind of pathetic. I mean, considering the last, how many spell points we got the last few times we used those, that was kind of weak. But, oh. I don't know why we're carrying this bag around. We should be carrying our quest bag. We got another disc. Anything else? Another one of those full mana restore void half things. Yeah, this should be significantly easier now. Just in case we need more of those. We do have quite a few though. Ah, there he went. Okay, I saw that. Run! Aha! Switch.
No all such as you can attack clansmen.
keys. Be nice to find some.
No fool
Oh,
ever lived could best a
locks.
clansman.
Let's open these.
By the blood of the clan, you are mine.
Whoa. Come and get me. Okay, we're out of keys. But I guess we'll find more. Oh, one more, at least. What's this do? Okay, that opens something. What it opened? I do not know. Okay, we need to find one more key. That is the phone, I'm sorry. It seems to be ringing a lot lately. Okay. Run, 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 run! Phew. Okay. I'm surrounded. Hopefully that guy doesn't seem
No
wrong.
fool ever lived could best a clansman.
I'm glad he waited for me. Ooh, nice. Okay. No, there's more in here.
No old such
There's
as
a lot
you
more.
can match a
There's that last iron,
clan, you are mine.
ivory lion key that we needed. Okay. I think that was all that was in here. Yep, that's it. I suspect to open the second doors, we have to, like we did before, we have to push a pressure plate down with one of those big rock things. So let's go look for more. I know we have that key. Okay.
No fool ever lived could best a
Yeah, this place is a lot more annoying with those orange gorilla guys hanging around, and this is a no magic zone. More cubes. More of those. Weird dead end type place, just like a nook.
No fool
Whoa.
ever lived could best a clansman.
Can't seem to hit this guy. There we go. More cubes. I don't even know what to do with those. Dispels all magic effects within 3 squares. More cubes. Okay, I think I have to be careful here. I know that stuff will hurt me, It seems to go away after a few seconds. Run, 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 run! Okay, pressure plates. Don't know what they do. Another dead end.